welcome back to Jess Kitchen. Today I've decided to cook some lunch for the family, vegetarian dishes. So I've got two dishes in mind. One dish will have roasted cauliflower with beetroot and feta cheese with some nuts and herbs. And the other dish I'm going to make is mushroom fritters with some nuts and herbs, and I'm using a tahini and yogurt sauce. So the ingredients for the lot is, first for the cauliflower, I bought half of cauliflower and I cut it into small to medium pieces, and I roast it in the oven about 160 degrees Celsius. And before I put into the oven, I drizzle it with some olive oil in about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I turn it and I drizzle again with some olive oil for another 5 to 8 minutes. Now, I also roasted the walnut and almond flakes, and I put some whole garlic into the oven. I roasted them about 10 to 12 minutes until it's a little bit brown. Now with the mushroom, I'm using shiitake mushroom and also a brown Swiss mushroom. And with the breadcrumb for the mushroom fritters, I make my own breadcrumbs. So what I've done is I took out about 3 slices of bread, fresh bread, and I've tear it up into pieces. I put it in the oven for 2 minutes on each side, and I take it out and let it cool down for a while. Once it gets a bit hard, I then blend it with fresh coriander. So this breadcrumb has bread and also coriander leaves. Okay, I took a bit of side so that at the end, when I complete the dish, I will garnish it a little bit. Now with the sauce, guys, I'm going to use tahini and Greek yogurt. So Greek yogurt, tahini, salt, and lemon will be the sauce. And for the mushroom fritters, I'll be using eggs, the breadcrumbs, and also potato starch. Now I use you can use any type of flour. You can use plain flour, gluten-free flour, but today I'm using the potato starch. Hopefully it has a bit of a good crunch. Okay, let me start off doing the mushroom fritters. Don't have much of the potato starch, so I'm just going to open up a new pack. The mushroom, I wash it earlier, I dry them a bit, and I put them in the freezer just to make it really nice and cold. Now I'm just going to do the eggs. Okay, just going to add some salt on the potato starch and a little bit on the breadcrumbs and the eggs. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the fire. I put a little bit of oil, not too much, maybe about 5 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of oil. Once again, you can use any type of oil, but I use the sunflower oil today. Okay, so to start off with, I dip the shiitake mushroom on the flour. And then I put it on the eggs. Make sure it's all covered there, guys. And then I'll put on the breadcrumbs. Now this is the first time I'm making this mushroom fritters, so hopefully it will work out. Let's put it in there. So I've decided to make some vegetarian dish Now, just for because of the school holidays started, we are trying to eat healthy food. Okay, just put it all there. Okay, looks like the mushroom fritters are all done. Smells beautiful of the coriander. Hopefully it's crunchy. Because we are all meat lovers, the mushroom will replace the meat. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to make the sauce, guys. So with the sauce, I'm going to use the tahini and the Greek yogurt. Good. Oh, just sorry. Okay. I'm just going to add maybe 5 tablespoons of this yogurt and maybe 1 teaspoon, 1 or maybe 1.5 I put it, of the tahini. And I'm just gonna put some salt, and I'm gonna squeeze in some lemons. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some olive oil too, guys. Just a little bit of olive oil. Maybe 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Just going to mix it now. Always try to taste it and make sure it's enough salt. Tastes really good. Alright, so now I'm gonna dish out. First, I'm gonna dish out the mushroom, the cauliflower. I think I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna dish out the cauliflower lunch dish. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in here the tahini sauce. Okay. I'm gonna add some beetroot first on the side. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the feta cheese on the side as well. And then I'm gonna add the walnuts and also the almond flakes. I'm gonna add now the roasted garlic. And I'm gonna add the cauliflower. And I put some herb, maybe some dill on the side to make it pretty, and some fresh basil leaves on the side. Okay, so that is your cauliflower with beetroot and also feta cheese with the yogurt and tahini sauce. Now I'm gonna make the mushroom fritters. First, let me taste this mushroom to see. so delicious. Okay, so the same thing here. I'm just going to add the yogurt and the tahini sauce. And then I'm going to add some dill around the side. I'm going to add some coriander leaf. I'm going to add the breadcrumbs that I put just now I put aside for the garnish. I'm also going to add the walnut and the almond flakes. And then I'm going to put the mushroom. Okay. I'm just going to add more coriander leaf and maybe some of the crumbs. Okay, so that's done. That's my cauliflower with roasted cauliflower with beetroot and feta and walnut and almond flakes with some fresh herbs and tahini and yogurt sauce. And this is my mushroom fritters with tahini and yogurt sauce with some fresh coriander and dill, and add some crumbs on the coriander that I made earlier and the walnut and almond flakes. So try to make these two delicious vegetarian dishes, guys. It's quick and easy, it's very healthy, and if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to press like and also subscribe if you enjoy Jess Kitchen. Thank you, bye.